Turn your ideas into real stickers in just 5 seconds. Meet the Sticker Printer, the ultimate pocket-sized gadget that turns your ideas into reality instantly. Just connect it to your phone, choose a design, and print high-quality stickers in seconds. Perfect for journaling, business labels, study notes, or creative DIY projects. No ink, no mess, just smooth thermal printing technology that saves time and money. Its compact design makes it easy to carry anywhere, so creativity never stops. Whether you're customizing gifts or organizing your workspace, this gadget adds a fun, professional touch. If you love creativity and convenience, this is a must-have tool for your setup today, right now. Turn your room into a galaxy in just 5 seconds. Meet the Galaxy Projector, the ultimate Amazon gadget that transforms any space into a stunning night sky experience. With colorful nebula effects, moving stars, and adjustable brightness, it creates a relaxing vibe instantly. Perfect for bedrooms, parties, or stress relief after a long day. Just plug it in, aim it, and let your ceiling come alive. Simple, affordable, and absolutely magical for every home setup. If you want a calming, aesthetic upgrade, this is a must-have gadget. Grab yours today and upgrade your room instantly with cosmic vibes now online.
What if learning and play could come alive in one smart companion? Meet the Energize Lab Eilik, a compact, interactive smart companion designed to bring learning and play together in a futuristic way. It responds to touch, voice, and movement, making it feel alive and engaging. Whether used for education, creativity, or fun, Eilik adapts to different modes that keep users curious and entertained. Its portable design makes it easy to carry anywhere, while smart features encourage interaction instead of passive screen time. Perfect for kids, tech lovers, and curious minds, this gadget blends robotics and personality into one experience. Innovation that feels playful and intelligent. Eilik stands out today, now.
Cool your space silently in just 5 seconds. Meet QuietCool, the smart cooling gadget designed for powerful airflow without the noise. Unlike traditional fans, this system delivers fresh, steady ventilation while staying ultra quiet, making it perfect for bedrooms, offices, or study rooms. It improves air circulation, reduces heat buildup, and keeps your environment comfortable all day. Energy efficient and reliable, QuietCool works in the background while you focus, sleep, or relax. No loud distractions, just smooth, refreshing air exactly when you need it. Easy to install and built for modern homes, this is the upgrade your comfort system has been waiting. Stay cool, stay focused, and enjoy silent performance every day. Turn your home into a smart, protected space in just seconds. Meet the Water Leak Detector, a smart Amazon gadget that protects your home from costly water damage. This compact device instantly alerts you when it detects leaks, drips, or unwanted moisture. Place it under sinks, near washing machines, bathrooms, or kitchens, and stay worry-free. With its loud alarm and fast response system, you can stop problems before they become expensive repairs. No complicated setup, just install and protect your space in seconds. Perfect for every modern home, this little device saves money, time, and stress. Stay safe, stay smart, and let technology guard your home 24/7. Highly recommended, right now. Turn a tiny tablet into a full towel in just 5 seconds. Meet Towel Tablets, the compact travel essential that expands into a full-size towel in seconds. Just add water and watch it transform instantly. Perfect for travel, camping, gym, or emergencies. These tiny tablets save huge space in your bag while delivering full functionality when needed. Lightweight, hygienic, and individually packed, they're designed for convenience anywhere you go. No more bulky towels or unnecessary weight, just smart, portable comfort in your pocket. Whether you're outdoors or on the move, towel tablets keep you prepared. This is simple innovation that makes everyday life easier, cleaner, and more efficient than ever before, right now.